Last year, the Galaxy Z Flip series received a major design upgrade when the Galaxy Z Flip 5 introduced a folder-shaped cover screen, replacing the small 1.9-inch panel with a larger 3.4-inch display. As Samsung prepares to unveil the successor to the Galaxy Z Flip 5, leaks suggest the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will not bring a dramatic redesign. Instead of making a significant leap in design, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is expected to refine the existing formula, incorporating some design elements from the newer Galaxy S24. Recent renders from third-party case manufacturer Akraquant reveal some minor design changes the Galaxy Z Flip 6 might feature. These renders indicate the upcoming model may have an even flatter frame than the Z Flip 5, similar to the design update seen in the Galaxy S24, which was inspired by the Z Flip 5. Another potential design element borrowed from the Galaxy S24 lineup is the speaker grille, which might consist of one wide cutout instead of multiple smaller holes. Additionally, the circular camera cutouts could have a slightly larger circumference, or the space between the two cameras might be thinner. However, since these renders come from a third-party case manufacturer, the accuracy of these finer design details is uncertain. In terms of hardware, rumors suggest the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will feature an upgraded 50-megapixel primary camera, possibly explaining the larger cutouts. The phone will also be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, shared with the Galaxy S24 series, and will use only the Snapdragon chip globally, as Samsung is not yet ready to divide its foldable phones between Snapdragon and Exynos markets. Samsung is expected to unveil the next-gen Galaxy Z Flip 6 in early July at the Unpacked event in Paris, the host city of the 2024 Olympic Games. This location is fitting given Samsung's role as an official Olympics partner. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.